Right, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to GD & Son channel. Today we're going to be doing a patio clean. It's one of our regular customers. We've done quite a bit of work for these in the past, waste removal, and we cleaned their driveway. And they were so happy with the driveway, they've had us back this year to do their patio. So, got the main man Bill with me today. He's going to be giving me a hand. Basically just getting all this tidied up. So, just going to walk you around now and show you the patio. So this is what we're dealing with today. It's probably about 45 square meters, I would say, if just an average. Quite a lot of issues with the black spotting and the white spotting of the lichen. It's kind of this kind of stone there, very prone to getting this kind of stuff. I'm not sure what was done previously with pointing. I think this might have just been resanded, but I'll have a word with the customer at the end, find out what she wants doing. We can't obviously repoint, but it doesn't look like from this that it was ever repointed in the first place. It looks like it might have been sand base. I'm not really sure, but we'll have a chat with them about that. So yeah, it's a nice big space really. Say some of the slabs are very stained, so we're going to have to put some hypo down on this as well. We're going to have an attempt to clean up this bench as well. I've never done one like this before. But the actual base of it itself doesn't look too bad. All we're going to do in this instance is we're going to lower the pressure down. Obviously put the hypo on the top because this is all lichen on there and moss. So we'll just lower the pressure down for that, and we'll just adjust it as we need to. I'd rather start off with a low pressure than put it on super high, blast the bench and start taking chunks of it off. So yeah, not sure how long this one's going to take. I've sort of, you know, it's my first ever patio apart from my own one at home, but that wasn't as bad as this one. So I've given myself sort of like 4 hours to get it all done, but we might be done a lot quicker than that. It all just depends on how it cleans up. So we'll get you set up on a tripod somewhere and we'll show you what it looks like. Right, so we finished this patio now. It's come up pretty well actually. We did have some problems with the black spotting. There's still some on there, but the majority of it's gone. It looks a lot better than what it did. It's actually had 2 lots of hypo on it, so we put the first one down just sort of like a low to medium sort of strength. It didn't even really touch the sides. It took out some of the smaller ones, but the bigger ones, they wouldn't move at all. So we actually then reapplied a stronger solution, nearly 50-50 mix, and yeah, I think it's come up pretty well. A lot different from how we first started. Very nice slabs. Yeah, as you can see on this one here, this was one of the worst ones. There's still a few little ones by the edges, but from what it looks like before and after, it's absolutely stunning, this. So we're just going to sort of pack up now, and we're going to sort of do it nice and slowly, so we've got time for it to dry, just in case there is any sort of patches that we have missed. Going over it, it looks like it's all pretty decent, and then once we've all packed up, we'll oh yeah, the bench, sorry, didn't come out as well as I wanted it to. Ideally I think they need some biocide on this. We managed to get the top quite clear. This has come out really nice, and it'll just dry really good, but the actual stones here, it's got this sort of algae stuff on, but I tried to turbo it and it didn't really want to do anything, and I was worried that it was going to break the bench or start chipping away at it. So yeah, I might suggest that we come back and maybe spray a bit of biocide on there so it can just naturally clean itself as time goes on. So yeah, that is it. The job is finished now. Big shout out to Bill, massive help today. He done all the flat surface cleaning, I was doing the broom, I've done a bit of rinsing down, so team effort today. Right, so just want to do a shout out to one of my subscribers before I leave, Derek Vance. Thank you for the PayPal donation, very much appreciate any donations, don't matter what size they are, really greatly appreciate it, so thank you very much, my friend. Just want to say, if you did like the video, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you all on the next video. So take care, everyone.